Are you looking for the best resin 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon M3. The Anycubic Photon M3 is the best all-around resin 3D printer we've reviewed. It produces crisp details with 4K plus quality that rivals more expensive machines and has a wide build plate allowing it to make larger models than competitors in its class. A sample print of a unicorn was extremely detailed, with the ridges on its horn and its mane appearing really sharp and free from layer lines. It was also a full 180 mm tall and printed in 10 hours. The etched build plate works really well at holding models tight during printing, but also allows for easy removal when they're done. The metal vat has a convenient pour spout, and Anycubic includes a screen protector for the LED light source to prevent accidental drips from ruining your printer. Retailing for less than $250 at press time, the Anycubic Photon M3 is a reasonable purchase for a beginner or an advanced maker wanting to add to their fleet. Number 2. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K. If you're ready to throw some serious cash down for a decent-sized resin 3D printer with quality that will knock your socks off, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K is here for you. Its roomy 218 by 123 mm build plate can accommodate an army of gaming miniatures or a gift-worthy superhero statue. Priced at around $600 at press time, this printer isn't cheap. But in return for the premium, you get crispy details, prints that practically slide off the build plate, a built-in webcam and a machine that's Wi-Fi ready. We enjoyed navigating through the mighty 8K's menus, thanks to its large and easy-to-use touchscreen display. There's little need to consult the manual, the printer walks you through an onboard tutorial to handle leveling and your first test print. Want to rerun a test file at a different exposure? No problem, the Sonic Mighty 8K will let you change exposure settings and more right inside the printer. I found this extremely helpful while dialing in a new resin. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K size is closer to what we see in FDM printers, without being so large that it dominates your workshop. The quality and extra wiggle room would be a worthwhile investment for someone running an SD shop or an artist wanting to showcase their work. We were able to print 12 very detailed gaming figures at once, and the process only took 4 hours and 2 minutes. Our only issue with this machine was the camera, which was released for review before it was functional. There's no set date on when the camera firmware will be ready, but it promises the ability to monitor prints as well as create time lapses. Number 3. Elegoo Jupiter. It's only available for pre-order right now, but when it's available, Elegoo's Jupiter printer will offer a combination of great quality and a huge build volume. And, despite its $1,300 price, the Jupiter is actually a great deal for its size, given that competitors cost closer to $1,000. Where the $499 Saturn provides a 192 mm x 120 mm x 200 mm volume, the Jupiter provides a ton more, going all the way to 277.8 mm x 156.3 mm x 300 mm. And the print quality is pretty good, as we found when outputting a detailed model of the Notre Dame Cathedral. We also love the Jupiter's sturdy, all-metal chassis, which makes it feel like a premium product worthy of its premium price. We found the touchscreen interface easy to navigate and the leveling process relatively painless. Number 4. Anycubic Photon M3 Premium. The Anycubic Photon M3 Premium set an impressive standard. Offering both high resolution and large build volume in a single machine, it effectively does the work of 2 separate printers and still comes in cheaper than buying them individually. The 10-inch 8K masking LCD provides an ultra-high 0.0285 mm XY resolution, which allows even the finest details to resolve on printed models. We were particularly impressed when we printed a model that had a tiny, open book on a pedestal. The words on the pages were sharp and legible, though one might need a magnifying glass to see them. The 219 mm x 123 mm x 250 mm build volume allows users to print large models with high resolution, or simply pack the oversized build platform with multiple small parts to produce many in parallel. Featuring integrated dual air filters, a laser-etched build platform, and a razor-thin NFEP vat film, the Photon M3 Premium is easily capable of handling anything you can throw at it. With a special introductory retail price of $619 and a planned retail price of $639, the Photon M3 Premium strikes an excellent balance between high resolution and large build volume while remaining less expensive than the competition. The included Anycubic Photon workshop software was slow and buggy during our testing, and is the primary weak point of this machine. Number 5. Elegoo Mars 3. If you're looking for a reliable 3D printer to start your journey with resin printing, the Elegoo Mars 3 is a great place to start. The printer has outstanding 4K resolution for beautifully detailed models and a simple leveling system to get that first layer to stick perfectly. Beginners should factor the high price of resin when considering their first printer, and the Elegoo Mars 3 only needs 350 milliliters to fill its vat. The build volume is average for its class, with plenty of room for gaming miniatures and models. The Elegoo Mars 3 comes with a free year subscription to Chitabox Pro, a leading paid slicer, for a premium experience. Number 6. Elegoo Mars 3 Pro. If you're looking to create small models for tabletop gaming, or just display, the Elegoo Mars 3 Pro is a great choice, thanks to its great build quality and high resolution. The Mars 3 Pro has an XY resolution of 35 microns, 0.035 mm, which allows you to show intricate details in even small objects. When we printed MZ4250's Red Dragon model, fine ridges on the tail and bones in the wing were sharp, without any visible splotching or errors. Even the spines and beard on the head were crystal clear. Its LCD screen provides a 4098 by 2560 resolution for prints, which is higher than the 4K resolutions of competitors like the Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K and Anycubic Photon Mono 4K. Unlike the Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K, which is very competitive in this area, the Mars 3 Pro doesn't suffer from any build quality issues. It's easy to level and even has a built-in air purifier that, in our tests, mitigated but did not completely remove the resin odor that all MSLA printers emit. With a price in the $300 to $350 range, this isn't the cheapest resin printer on the market, but it offers great quality output and strong usability for the money.